Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to teach you Standard 7th, Subject English, Grammar Chapter 6, Figures of Speech, Part 2. In the last video, we have seen about the meaning of figures of speech. Let us revise once again. A figure of speech is a technique or a tool of expression by means of which one deviates from the ordinate expression. It is a word or expression used not with its original meaning but in an imaginative way to make it a special effect, to produce a better linguistic effect. Now, today we'll learn about assonance. Assonance take place when two or more words are close to one another, repeat the same vowel sound, but it start with different consonant sounds. It means it is a repetition of identical or similar vowels. Especially, it is stressed on syllables in a sequence of nearby words. For example, men sell the wedding bells. Here, the vowel sound represented by E is dramatically repeated. Second example is, though still unravished bride of quietness. Here, the sound of the vowel represented by I is repeated for greater effect. Next example is, though faster, child of silence and slow time. In this sentence, the sound of the vowel I is repeated successfully. Now, let us go to the next figure of speech, that is personification. Here, when inanimate objects, ideas, or qualities are treated as if they were human beings, is called personification. In short, personification is giving human characteristics to animal or things. Let us understand with the help of examples. Our first example is, the waves beside them danced. Here, the waves are given the human quality or the human action of dancing. Second example is, the pine trees frowned at her. Here, the pine trees are given the human ability to frown. Now, our next figure of speech is exclamation. It is the emotional expression of ideas or things or feelings in words. In short, an exclamation mark indicates strong emotion such as anger, fear, love, etc. It can also be used to indicate a command. For example, stop. Now, exclamation mark examples are ouch, that hurts. Don't do that. So, these are the feelings, these are the emotions expressed, sudden emotions. So, we are using this exclamation mark. An exclamation mark can be used with a question mark also. Example, why would you do this to me? Now, our next figure of speech is interrogation. It is an idea or a fact is emphasized by using a question which does not require an answer instead of a statement. Interrogation is a asking of question and not to get an answer. but to put a point more effectively. Examples like, who is here so wild that will not love his country? Am I a fool to do such a thing? If you poison us, do we not die? When can their glory fade? So, interrogation is a question asking sentence. Our next figure of speech is repetition. Repetition is a word or a phrase or a line which is significant, is repeated for effect. The simple repeating of a word or group of words within a sentence or a poetical line is known as repetition. Example like smile and smile and smile. So here it is repeated for the poetical effect. Our next example is rain, rain, go away. Here the repetition of the word rain conveys the meaning more effectively. Next example is little lamb, dost thou now who made thee. Here the repetition of little lamb word adds to the effect of the line. So it means the repetition of the word or a phrases in the same line is known as repetition. Thank you.